Train Noise Expert is a suite of prediction tools that help track designers, rolling stock manufacturers, and acoustic specialists to accurately predict noise from railway operations and to optimize train and track designs. For more information, please visit trainnoiseexpert.com. This video outlines the latest exciting new features in Train Noise Expert. Hello, this is Daniel Lurcock from ISVR Consulting at the University of Southampton, and I'm going to be walking you through some of the latest features. So here we are in Train Noise Expert, and as always you can go up here into help, and you can go to About Train Noise Expert to get some details about your current version. We're on version 1.8.0. Great. And as always, you can go up here, help and documentation, to check what some of the latest versions are in a bit more detail. Click for version history, and it shows here some of the things that are new. So the main one that I would like to demonstrate in this video is this part here, Excel output reports for the rolling noise calculations. Now this is going to be really interesting. I'll show that in a second. We've also got a few more other improvements around rolling noise calculations for the frequency resolution around the wheel mode frequencies. There's a couple of little bugs that have been fixed, and we've changed the user interface display of stiffness values to meganewtons per meter, just to make it a bit more consistent with how users expect to receive that data. Okay, let's go and have a look. So after you've run a rolling noise calculation, which is through this menu item, run rolling noise calculation, it will perform the calculation, and it will now automatically generate an Excel file in the folder. This looks like here. There are a few different Excel sheets that have been calculated for this calculation, and you get one for each type of wheel set that was in that whole calculation. Let's go and have a look at this one. So in the rolling noise file, you're going to get some basic details that are in a summary tab down here, which includes things like the date, the description, the calculation version, etc., etc. You're also going to have some tabs down here. You're going to have one tab which is a report format for sound pressure level. Now in this one, you want to select which receiver you want to focus on, and it will give you a nice handy printable report with all the main information that you could be interested in looking at as an output from that rolling noise calculation. And you could select other microphones that you might want to look at for the results for, just through this little drop down here. We also have a sound power level tab, which will give you all the outputs for the sound power level results. And both of those reports are nicely printable, so you'll be able to slot them into your own internal or reports for clients, etc. We've got a tab here which details parameters, which is all the different parameters that you may have used in that model. So this is going to be really helpful for when it comes to auditing your models and double checking that you've used the right data. You also get a summary of the roughness values that have been used. You get a full table that gives sound pressure level calculations at each microphone. And similarly, the sound power level calculations in this table here. You also get an output of the track decay rate results here. So if you've used calculated values, then these will appear here. If you've used file values, these will appear here. And it also, for convenience, it provides the TSA ISO values in these rows here. I hope you find that all helpful. Most of the feature improvements come from user feedback, which is really important to us. So please, if you've got any questions, get in touch with me. Please participate in the LinkedIn user discussions. And in the meantime, Enjoy.